Now, the Pakistan Supreme Court resumes its hearing in the crucial case against the Deputy Speaker's decision rejecting the no-confidence motion against Prime Minister Khan. The decision by the top court is likely to resolve the ongoing constitutional crisis in the country, which plunged into chaos on the 31st of March. Supreme Court justices pulled up President's counsel Ali Zafar, asking if he seeks to protect the violation of the constitution in the parliament. Justice Kale also added that the court is the guardian of the constitution, and Justice Kale also said that if the parliamentary proceedings were affecting someone, that justice needs to be served, and adding that if justice was failing, then the court could not remain silent. Counsel for the President, Ali Zafar, during his final argument said that the protection of the constitution must be in accordance with it, and if the court fails, then the matter will then go to the people. He also argued that for protecting the law, every article of the constitution must be taken into consideration. Counsel Zafar also cited that when there is a disagreement within the judiciary, then the parliament does not interfere, adding that the same should be true for the judiciary as well. The Chief Justice of Pakistan then questioned if the formation of a federal government was an internal matter of the parliament, to which the counsel for the President referred to the verdict of the Junejo case, where the court had declared to overthrow Junejo's government unconstitutional and had not taken action after the dissolution of the assembly when asked to explain what constitutional crisis is by the Chief Justice. Ali Zafar said that everything was going according to the constitution and hence there is no constitutional crisis, adding that the announcement of the election shows that the government's move was not malicious. Now, Chief Justice Bandial meanwhile pulled up the government's counsel for demanding early elections. The Pakistan Chief Justice said that prima facie Article 95 was violated and stated that if others have majority, then the government should not announce elections, as billions are spent during polls. Chief Justice also argued that the case has national interest. Counsel for the Prime Minister Imran Khan meanwhile argued that the proceedings of the parliament is outside the court's jurisdiction, adding that although the no-confidence motion was under court review, the opposition did not object to the Deputy Speaker presiding over the session, and that the Deputy Speaker made the decision based on his oath to protect the country. Imran Khan also argued that all parliamentary proceedings have full protection under Article 69 of the Constitution, and the 7-member bench is bound to follow the rules. Meanwhile, lawyer for the Deputy Speaker also reiterated that the ruling of the Speaker is outside the jurisdiction of the court, adding that the Speaker can reject no-confidence motion on point of order. Naeem Bukhari also argued that the Supreme Court should not look into this matter now, as new elections have been announced and the matter is now with the people. Naeem Bukhari also presented the minutes of the Parliamentary Committee on National Security before the top court. The court observes that 57 members were present in the Parliamentary Committee National Security meeting. Chief Justice mentions that the contents of the letter were put in the notice of the members of the Assembly. Also questioned why the opposition was not asked to respond on point of order. The Supreme Court's judgment on the matter could call for a restored government or fresh elections, or it could be neither. The court could also bar Imran Khan from standing again if he is found to have acted unconstitutionally. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.